This is how to make seafood pasta. I got scallops and shrimp from my local seafood market. You're going to start with boiling your fettuccine noodles. Peel your shrimp, put them on a plate. I used Old Bay, garlic pepper, onion powder, parsley, smoked paprika, crushed red pepper, salt, and pepper. I also found thyme and Cajun seasoning, added that. You're going to want to sprinkle seasoning on both sides of your seafood. Melt some butter in a cast iron, add a little bit of olive oil. It'll keep your butter from burning. Gently put your seafood in your cast iron. Don't splash yourself like I did. You're going to want to cook these for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once they're done, remove them from the pan, put them on a plate to the side. Then you're going to want to chop up some onion. I used fresh garlic and some shallots. Start by sauteing your onion and all of that good seasoning yumminess that's still left in the pan. Next, you are going to add your shallots, saute that. I always forget shallots are things, but they seem fancy, so I wanted to add it. Anyway, and then last, you are going to add your minced garlic. Add the garlic last so it doesn't burn. Make sure you stir it in so it soaks up the seasoning from the pan. Next, I added some chopped mushrooms. If y'all want to make your own Alfredo sauce, do it. I use the jarred stuff. It was on sale. Please don't come for me. Anyway, you're going to mix your Alfredo sauce in with the vegetables and seasoning. Next, I added more cheese because I love cheese. Also found a little bit of cream cheese in the back of my fridge. Threw that in the pan to melt as well. And next is some organic baby spinach. You know, you got to have your greens. You can omit this step if you don't like spinach, but we do. After you add your spinach, you are going to gently mix it in with the sauce so the spinach leaves cook and shrink down. I cook this on medium heat. This is what it looks like with the spinach leaves cooked and everything blended in. I'm doing these palmini noodles for me. They are keto, only 2 grams of net carbs, and they kind of taste like artichokes. I'm going to scoop some of the sauce out of my cast iron, add it to my palmicini linguine noodles. I highly recommend these if you're trying to be keto or healthy. They were actually bomb. For my fiance, he gets that real fettuccine shit because he's young and he still has a metabolism. But anyway, add those noodles to your cast iron, mix everything in so the noodles can soak up that delicious sauce. And once that is done, put your noodles and sauce on a plate. I like to top it with more cheese because, you know, cheese. And then next, we're going to add some of those blackened scallops and your blackened shrimp. Nobody told me that 4 scallops were going to be $14 damn. But anyway, it was worth it. Look at how pretty this dish is. It was one of those things that I even surprised my damn self because y'all know that the best food is homemade with love. Please like and follow for more. Thank you.